Manchester man caught on CCTV breaking into shop charge. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Manchester man captured on closed-circuit TV footage breaking into a shop in Little Portmore in the parish on Friday, March the 5th has been arrested and charged. The accused 25-year-old Javon Salon of Little Portmore address has been charged with shop breaking and larceny. Reports from the police are that a businesswoman securely locked her mini-mart and left the premises. Upon her return about 4:30 p.m., she reportedly discovered that her shop had been broken into and an undetermined amount of cash stolen. According to the police, a review of a CCTV footage showed Salon broken into the shop and stealing the cash. He was subsequently arrested and charged. Salon court date is being arranged and the police have stated that he will be taken before the court in the shortest possible time. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.